All right, you guys. So for today's lesson, it's called WGOITP because basically it stands for what's going on in this picture. And this should sound familiar. It's something we did in the beginning of the school year. It was a picture, not of this one, but it was a picture of a girl in a dress, like riding on top of a car through what looked like a village in another country. So we're going to do that same activity, but with this picture. And you're going to imagine that this picture is actually in a hallway at Lawndale in one of the new buildings, or that the cafeteria has been changed and now this is in the middle of the cafeteria at Lawndale. So I know we're not at school right now, things are really different. And when we go back to school, um, the classrooms might look different, the schedule might be different, who knows? But, um, if you want to make some type of relation between this and when we all go back after the pandemic, or actually, I guess it'll still be a pandemic, but if you want to still imagine this as somehow related or not, it's totally up to you. There's no right or wrong way to do it. And it's just that you guys basically use your imagination because based on what you all wrote here for what is creative writing, you all wrote different things like it's thinking outside the box, not being super specific about a genre, but just kind of making a story based on something. And I saw this image and I saw that someone assigned it as like imagining it was in the school hallway. And I thought it would be interesting just because we're not at school right now. So think about it, have a little fun with it. You can get kind of weird because that's the only way this will really be fun. And I did want to kind of break things up for those of you who felt like you needed a break from the poetry. We'll start doing some things where you guys can still write creatively, but it doesn't have to be poetically. I might go back here and there though. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. But again, have some fun with it. Let it be a couple of paragraphs. Don't give me like some weak 3 sentence response. Really put yourself in this world of what's going on in this picture and make sure you cover like the who, what, when, where, why, how. Okay. Post it on the discussion board. I encourage you guys to read other students' interpretation of this picture and respond. And that's your lesson today. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.